Hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly English vocabulary words. Every week, we are going to learn 5 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, doctor. 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 Number 2, cook. 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 Number 3, nurse. 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 Number 4, teacher. 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 Number 5, soldier. 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 Great job! See you next time!